Let's talk about some of the applications that we routinely address. Something like blasting, whether that be with cut wire media or aluminum oxide grit. We also do water washdown, whether it be in industrial applications, deionized water for testing purposes, or in food sanitation and robot washdown. Outside of that, I think we contend with both extremes in low temperatures and high temperatures. And lastly, we really are trying to educate the CNC tending automation space because, as you heard before, if there are amines and you're working with ferrous metals, that robot definitely needs to be protected, lest you destroy the O-rings and seals on the robot. One last application to leave you with is welding. Think about spatter, think about sparks, think about post-weld grinding. A lot of those contaminants could come back to your robot. So consider a welding protective robosuit.